Do you know which cooking oil you are using every single day? And do you know why it deserves so much of attention? Because oil is not occasion. It goes in your tadka, it goes in your sabji, it goes over your parathas, and even in your packed food. That means your cooking oil is your biology. Now, here is a science. Every cooking oil has a different fat structure. Some oils are higher in saturated fats, some are higher in unsaturated fats. And why this is so important? Because different fats can affect your LDL, your cholesterol, your ApoB, your triglycerides, inflammation, oxidation, and long term heart condition. Oils higher in unsaturated fats generally support better cholesterol pattern when they replace with saturated fat. And that is why extra virgin oil, avocado oil, high oleic oils, canola oils, and rice brine oil can be better option depending on how you cook. Rice brine oil especially can be a practical cooking oil in India because it is mostly unsaturated fat and has a high smoking point and contains components like gamma oryzanol, tocopherols, tocotrienols, and plant sterols that has been studied for cholesterols, but no oil is magic. Even a good oil can become a problem if overused, overheated, or reused again and again. Now let's talk about ghee, butter, coconut oil, and tallow. They are not poison, but they are high in saturated fat. And if they become your main daily fat, saturated fat intake can go higher. And for many people, that can raise their LDL, cholesterol, and ApoB level. And ApoB matters because it tells us how many plaque formation are circulating in your blood. More particles over time means more opportunity for arterial plaque. Now, the second issue is heat. When oil is heated again and again, especially for deep fry, it oxidizes and it can form degraded component like aldehydes and polar component. Don't just ask which oil is healthy. Ask if this oil is overheated, if it's reused, was it sitting in the fryer for a long time, and is it inside your ultra processed food? Because oil in your home cooked vegetable is not as same as the oil in your packed food like in your chips, biscuit, namkeen, your fried snacks. And the food pattern matters. That dose matters, the heat matters, and your biomarker matters. So here is a practical use. Use extra virgin olive oil for dressing and low heat cooking. Use rice brine oil for practical options like for regular Indian cooking. Use avocado oil or high oleic oil for higher heat. Use ghee for your flavor and not just for fat. And avoid vanaspati or hydrogenated oil. Your cooking oil needs your attention because you use it every single day. And when you use every single day, that shapes your biology. Track your LDL, track your cholesterol, track your triglycerides, and track your insulin resistance, track your liver fat. Because the best oil is not the oil that is trending on internet, it's the oil which is supporting your biology. At Life Reversal, we make nutrition decision based on evidence and data. Life Reversal mission is to bring evidence-based biology to the public so every person can understand, track, and optimize their health before their symptom becomes disease. So stay strong and stay independent.